Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Ram Outdoorsman Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1830P. 37,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat bottom, flips up for additional cargo space. In-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Outdoorsman has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, along with dual zone automatic temperature control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.